In front of me is iPhone 17 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. Using voice typing is honestly so fun and efficient, especially when in a hurry. If you want to enable it and use it on this iPhone, I will show you exactly how to do it. No tricks, no special apps, just devices settings and your default iPhone keyboard. So let's begin. Firstly, go into settings and scroll down a tiny bit. Then tap on General right under Battery. When you're ready, scroll again and this time click on Keyboard. Now scroll all the way down and click on gray switcher next to Enable Dictation. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Following that, you will see those two options. You can click on this switcher next to Auto-Punctuation to switch it on, or turn it off. And also tap on Dictation languages, especially if you are using more than one on your device. After tapping on it, click on your language and make sure you see this blue check mark right next to it. Then you can finally go back and launch your keyboard. Now you need to click on this microphone at the bottom right corner and start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you want to stop, you can click on the same microphone at the bottom right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!